Let's check all of the accessories that does come with the Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first of all, I've already removed the seals on the bottom of this package, and then to actually access the box with our phone, we'll need to slide it like so. Next step would be to just slide it from the top. It's not protected from any stickers, so we can just open it. Okay, so first thing you should see is your phone right here. Then on the other side of the lid is the accessories, and underneath your phone you will find USB cable. And when it comes to the accessories, let me place a phone like this. When it comes to the accessories, you will get instructions like this, a USB ejection tool, and that is everything. So you have a USB charging cable, phone, and instructions along with the SIM ejection tool. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.